sword. Hello friend, this is our dragon sword tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to continue to learn the dragon sword combination, help you to improve for the better. And this combination a bit challenge, okay? But if you follow the steps and orders of our dragon sword tutorials, it's not going to be too challenge. All right, I'll break down the moves. Now, the reason we call dragon sword, which means when you practice the sword, you have to be like a dragon. Dragon, and soft, yet with power, right? That's why it's called dragon sword. It's not called chicken sword. It's called dragon sword. Be like dragon. And also we have tiger sword, right? Tiger sword, when you practice tiger sword, you have to be as powerful as tiger. Okay? So today's combination a bit difficult. But if you follow the tutorials step by step, and the combination is not going to be too difficult. I'll break down the moves. Okay? Now, let's have a look at the combo first, and then I'll break down the moves. Alright, now let's break down the dragon sword combination. Okay? Now these combos, like I mentioned before, can be challenged. But if you follow the steps and orders of our dragon sword tutorials, it can be easier. Because in the first tutorial, remember we already learned the basics. Alright, learn the basics and the foundations. We just put them together and add some more difficult moves. Let you gradually get used to with the dragon sword. Okay, gradually build up. And also for some of you, if you haven't joined our online training course yet, I highly recommend you to join our online training course to follow the tutorials step by step and build up a solid, strong foundation for Kung Fu. Okay, now I'll face to this angle first. Let's start. First of all, you are using your left hand to hold the dragon sword. Remember, I mentioned before, right? Use your left hand, hold. I can use my index finger to be straight. Just go through first to hold it. Sometimes two hands, but normally, sometimes two fingers, but normally one finger, like this. All right, we done this one before. Now start with face to this angle. I'll go slower. Body is naturally straight. Look at left to start with 3 points. This is hand, alright? Left up. And then look at right. Hold sword with your right hand. Hold sword. Swap. And then left hand become 剑指. Dragging fingers. Right leg left up. Toes pointing straight, not hooked. And then I go slowly, step sword. Step sword. This move we have learned before. It's called 云剑. Go around one, follow your sword. And then step sword through your waist. And next move we have also learned before. I don't go through details. But here you do 五剑. See 五剑. 1, 2, 3, soft. Step sword. After step sword, from here, I go around. This is like a dragon goes around you. See, go a circle. Go a circle on your left shoulder. Chop out. See. Just combine with your legs together. See, combine your legs together. Circle and chop. Slowly. Toes pointing straight. Okay. Now next one is 挂剑. 挂剑. We have learned this one before as well. 挂剑. Let's go 挂剑. Alright. 挂剑 ，step， 挂剑1 ，1， 2，穿剑 is like dragging, see, it's like dragging like this. This bit, we have also learned this one before. 穿剑 turn, this is a bit challenge. 挽花1 2 chop. See, chop. 4-6 stance. This one we call 式6步. If you don't know how to do the stance, let me help you. It's from horse stance, 50-50. Shift your weight to 60-40. See? 4-6 stance. Finish. Now let's point out some difficult part is when you do 穿剑. See? This move. The sword has to be maintained straight. When you turn your arm, see? It cannot be not like this. It's totally different. See? You flow with it. Think about the dragon head from here. You turn, and then dragon's body turn as well. See? That's the part. Dragon head trying to think about I'm the dragon head. My head trying to turn. I try to follow. My body follows. Alright. So that's the same thing. Hand, turn. If you cannot do it with the sword, use your hand first. Go. See? Turn. Your hand turn. And then your shoulder turn. Alright. Now let's try one more time. Left arm. Hold the dragon sword. Body naturally straight. I go slow. Look at left. The reading you do this means make sure you're ready in the present moment. You're not daydreaming. No. Be clear. Pa. Hold sword. 剑指 ready. Step sword slow. Follow, soft. Look at your sword. Step sword. 剑 soft. We go around. Circle. On your shoulder, turn and break it down. Follow your sword. 挂剑 Right. 1 2 穿剑 3 4 One more time in slow motion. Left. So, see this move, it cannot be, see this too stiff. Your waist has to be soft, soft, and then soft. 五剑 1 2 waist. Ha. Also 五剑 can be, see my waist too stiff. I only use my wrist, right? But dragon sword, yeah, have used waist soft and with power. Okay, now from here, slowly. 穿剑 slow. Finish. 穿剑 from here is from a crouching stance change to the bow stance. Okay, change to bow stance. It just flow through. All right. Okay, let's see one more time with my back view. Circle, look at your sword, step sword, step sword, 剑 1, 2, soft, ha, and then go around, 1, see, soft, and go above your left shoulder, follow your sword, and then 挂剑 1, we do 1, 1, so from here again, 1, go around, see, like circle, and then 2, 穿剑 3, chop, pa. Now one more time with the sideways, you can see. Again, 1, 2, and then 3, chop, chop. Alright, so that's the dragon sword tutorial, the combination tutorial. And remember, dragon sword can be difficult. If you follow the steps, it will become easier, but you're not in a hurry. Make sure each tutorial you spend a lot of time to practice one move over and over. Make sure the movement, get used to it, flow, and then you move on to the next training session. You're not in a rush, okay? You cannot be rushed. Kung Fu cannot be rushed. You have to take time, pay effort, and then you can improve your dragon sword. Remember, practice makes better and perfect. Okay, you can encourage yourself. Practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life. See you next time.